There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hey guys, welcome to Allie and CoCo Science Show. It is Christmas Day, and I am here with some special guests. Oh my god, it's my cousins again! We've got Lilah and Norah, and we're gonna have a exciting, fun day today. What we're gonna do, we have a bit of a challenge. So Lilah's gonna put makeup on this half of my face, Norah's gonna put makeup on this half of my face, and while I'm bored, like sitting here, I'm gonna give you guys some science and history facts about makeup. There's tons out there. There's so much chemistry involved. So they get to pick whatever theme they want. I don't know what they're doing, and I won't know until the end. So without further ado, I'm gonna let them kind of lead because I don't know anything about makeup. I do know I've got a big pimple on my face. This is exciting. So let's get started.
I'm starting with BB cream and from Revlon.
Okay.
Photo ready.
Photo ready. Perfect.
I'm starting with a tone adjusting face primer from ELF.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Oh, I'm blind. So, not to be confused with primers when you are replicating DNA in a cell. These primers are pretty, okay. Oh my god, so cool. So these primers are really helpful for setting and smoothing your face out. There's a whole science and chemistry behind it. This is an odd experience. I don't know what's happening to my face right now. Concealers are cool because there's a whole part of like, oh, that was cold. I did that already. There's a whole like color science to it. So there's some concealers that you use the opposite color to, like, I have this red spot. I would use the opposite of red on the color wheel to cover that up. This concealer is more just like neutral.
I have a green concealer.
Oh, can I use it? It's in the...
Can we cover that up?
Okay.
Wow guys, this makeup look is great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Color correcting concealer.
Look at this.
We
Oh
gotta
my gosh.
correct that. Let's hope it's green.
There's lavender, yellow, and green.
But she's gonna look like a Christmas tree.
But I mean, you can make me look at like a Christmas tree too.
I mean, you can make me look at like a Christmas tree too.
Or blending.
Oh, and then I'm using this powder from Soap and Glory at Target because Target is my bae.
What is that?
Hopefully you can read lip.
Now, okay, I'm gonna use this. Oh, I got to using this NYX eyeshadow base that is completely white to turn Allie.
I'm turning her into a
Allie's
witch.
face.
Wait,
White.
I thought you weren't supposed to say.
That's not the real thing.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I was talking about foundations. Back in the day, there's quite a history with foundation.
Quite a history.
In like 3000 BC, Greek women would put white all over their face, and it was lead carbonate. So they would get sick from lead poisoning, and they'd also do like chalk and animal fats, and they'd grind up zinc and lead, and so they'd make like a weird foundation-y cake powder. But now they use, first of all, not animal fat, which is great for me since I don't want that.
Neither do I.
But they do have water in it, and silicone are the two like biggest ingredients used. And then they'll do, this feels so weird. Then they'll add an emulsifier, which breaks down into the water and holds the silicone and water together, and then it like holds it to your face.
Dude, okay, Allie, you look like a queen right now. So I just finished with the NYX. It's eyeshadow base, but I'm using it for her face because I need to paint her face white and I can't find my white
Don't you
face
just
paint.
love us?
This is a look.
It's a look.
It's a mood.
For
Alright.
eyeshadow, we're using James Charles makeup palette, which our other cousin gave us.
And it is cruelty-free, which is exciting. Ah! Whoa, look at that color palette. What they used to use for eyeshadow, they would like take charcoal, which was one of the things, and they keep their eyes dark. So like in ancient Egypt, they wanted really dark eyes to keep away evil spirits, but also to protect their eyes against wind and sun and sand and everything.
Okay, so now I am using this Ultra HD Soft Light Liquid Highlighter.
Another thing they used to use for eyeshadow, they'd get crocodile dung and honey, and it'd kind of make a little cake to put on their eyes. Now they have quite a few different things to like make the colors. Some things can use like ground up beetles to make a lot of red colors, but there's like kind of like two subcategories. There's organic, which isn't like, you know, I'm eating organic. It's organic compounds made with, it has carbon in it. And then there's inorganic colors and pigments, which are like metal based.
I'm using these Eco Tool brushes made of bamboo.
You guys know I like biodegradable stuff. Ooh, I got biodegradable dental floss finally for Christmas in my stocking. I'm very excited.
I'm very excited. For this type of eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take a card or like any straight edge that you have, and you're just gonna push it up against the eye to get that beautiful kind of like effect. Wing.
There we, oh, that look came out good. I can't do that.
Wait, turn.
So,
Okay, that looks great.
you're doing awesome.
Fantabulous.
So they'll like grind up rocks, and like a smaller space is gonna be like just a little more compact. A larger one is gonna be more glittery looking.
I'm using the James Charles color called Skip. It is a bright pink, which you can't really see right now because I kind of covered it up with some bronze.
So a lot of these eyeshadows that use like micas and like titanium dioxide, which is kind of shimmery too. So basically when light bounces off of it, they look iridescent or shiny. When you look straight on though, they're just kind of like bland. And that's kind of how a lot of bird feathers work, called keratin, like in our hair and our nails. And it's a protein.
Didn't we talk about keratin in like the video with cold-blooded animals?
We might have, or warm-blooded
Because
animals.
like it might have been warm-blooded because like the armadillo.
That has keratin, yeah. Armadillos have keratin in their nails and their shell. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, sorry.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah, I think I do. I'm pretty sure it's a lizard.
No.
I'm pretty sure it's all.
I'm surprised none of you gave me a mustache.
Fun
You're not-
and fresh.
Fun and fresh. Looks good.
Look
I
at
love
that.
this. This is so much fun. I look adorable. Another fun fact is for like eyeliner
Just made it worse.
and mascara, they in ancient Egypt made something called kohl, K-O-H-L,
I
and
was like, I know what cool is.
it was made with
Owie.
lead sulfide. Again, lead on your eyeball. Probably not a good idea. Some people thought mascara had guano in it, like bat poop. It actually
Lipstick
has
used to.
guanine in it, which is why everyone's confused. Which guanine is from fish scales, so it gives it a shiny look. There are, no worries, vegan mascaras now.
Oh, that looks good. That looks really good.
Oh my god,
Oh my
this
god,
is
wait.
legit.
You're talking about live yours, right?
No.
No.
Yours looks so cool. And then in the 1830s, just like we're doing right now, a lot of women would spend hours on their makeup because they would be creating their own like recipe. So they would like get the ash from their lamps.
We don't do that. We just take forever.
Shoot!
They'd get the ash from their lamps and elderberry, which is like the cutest plant. So women would make their own makeup. Could you imagine doing that? And then in the 1872, petroleum jelly became a thing, and they would mix petroleum jelly and coal tar, and then like they started making like commercial makeup.
I'm gonna do some red.
This red is called You're Kidding.
You're kidding.
What
I'm
else?
not gonna be kidding anyone with this bad makeup.
What? This isn't bad. This is James
Dude,
Charles.
Nora, this looks so good.
No, I mean like my.
Hey, John. Hey, Allie and CoCo Science Show. It's my brother.
The guy thinks we should ban makeup.
You
But
think
we
should ban
wouldn't.
makeup.
We wouldn't be able to do this.
John,
Or
what do you think?
that. She's a butterfly.
What do
You should
think,
have
John?
a twist where we switch pieces in the middle.
My brother says it's pretty
No, this is how you make a Norah creation. If you do the cookie by the book, then you'll have a cake. But we didn't have a book, so
Or a cake.
we have trash.
good. Do you know 5,000 years ago, people would glue
Eyeballs to their head.
I was gonna say gems to their lips.
Okay, go like this. Perfect.
That's all? You're just gonna do a little chunk?
Yeah.
Oh, I do look scary, like a doll. Is the final look? Let's do.
Let's clean up first.
Wait, I was gonna do the final reveal.
Okay.
So this is Nora's look. I do believe it's a Christmas tree. Nora.
It is a Christmas tree, and this is my inspiration.
Wow. It looks so good. Whoa, Lilah said, I think I am a China doll.
Yes.
Wait, for real?
No.
I look
Yeah.
cute.
Well, she wasn't, but now she.
Yeah, she was you are a China doll now, but this was my original theme.
It's like a Mad Hatter China doll. Wait,
Yeah.
wait.
I was gonna do
There
the
it
Mad
is.
Hatter. But,
Interesting.
it didn't really see. That's where the polka dots came from.
Oh, that's okay. I still look cute.
Now.
I love it, guys. So, for the question of the week, I want to know, what is the craziest makeup look you've ever done or seen? Like the coolest thing. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it or if you love my cousins. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get to know when I put out a new video. Do you guys have anything to add?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. What about you, Norah?
I'm the best.
Oh. Happy Kwanzaa tomorrow. Or I guess today if I get it up in time. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
That's
Happy holidays.
Do I look cute?
No.
Thumbs up this video if I look cute.
thumbs down.